Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by measuring and assembling everything precisely, because accuracy controls texture and rise. Combine 1 cup flour and 1 cup sugar in a bowl, add 0.5 tsp salt and 1 tsp baking powder for lift, whisk to aerate. Crack 2 eggs into a separate bowl and beat briefly so they integrate evenly. Once done, warm 1/2 cup milk and melt 4 tablespoon butter. Add wet to dry ingredients gradually, stirring just until combined. You'll focus now on technique to get the ideal crumb. Pour the wet mixture into the dry and fold using a spatula. Use slow strokes and stop when streaks disappear because overmixing makes the cake dense. Scrape batter into a pan filled to about 3/4 capacity so it can rise without spilling. Smooth the top, then place on the middle rack. Bake at 350 degrees F and watch for a golden top. The toothpick should come out with a few moist crumbs, not wet batter. You finish with cooling and simple finishing touches so your cake slices cleanly and tastes balanced. Let it cool in the pan for 10-15 minutes to set the structure, then invert onto a rack to cool fully. This prevents a soggy base. Once cool, frost or glaze as desired. A thin glaze soaks in for flavor, buttercream for structure. If the center sinks, make sure your oven was at the correct temperature, don't underbake, and use correct leavening amounts. Adjust next bake accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.